So we're gonna go to this Ikea real quick, and then I'm probably gonna find a Home Goods to go into out in Atlanta. And then we're gonna come home. I really don't have no money like that.
All the tires be f***ed up.
You roll up on every goddamn curve, baby. No, what is RPS Collab?
Oh, say pick up. Let's pick up in the self-serve furniture area.
Self-service. Well, we gotta keep going. But that is definitely what we want. We don't need anything else.
I think she'll be alright with everything she got. All 11 then what? All 11 then do?
So, they didn't have the easel that we wanted to get for Bailey, but we're just gonna order it and have it shipped to the other Blaxstones house. But at least we came in here.
Yeah, at least we came in here.
So now we're gonna go
Home.
home. Since we're already on 75, we're probably gonna go to over there like by Top Golf. I forget what area it is. Because they got like commercials and stuff over there. I just want to check out that area, see what they got, what type of home stuff they got, since we already out here. And then we're gonna go home. I'm gonna go get Brian some lunch, because chicken usually gets him to be quiet.
Let's go through the express checkout.
So yeah, that's where we're about to go. Where's the elevator to parking? I don't know, man.
I don't know either. But I know if we go out that way. Alright.
Or you wanna go back down that way?
I don't know. I feel like we're gonna get lost in the
I don't think you can go that way.
showroom. See?
Okay, so come on.
Alright. Walk into the circle. Just walk outside, right?
I don't like Ikea, bro. Like, here is so confusing. And I really didn't see nothing that I really liked. I mean, I saw a few things. This one came in.
Sure.
Ooh, this looks like, man, what the hell? I really didn't, like, I saw a few things that I liked. I'll probably be back here in like 6 months or so.
6 months or so.
You need to watch where you're going. Because if you fall, that's it. Turn around.
Oh, wow. Oh, shit.
So extra, and I know you gonna make it to like do the effects where it's shaking and everything. You're so extra, honey, so extra.
No, hang on.
You still hold on. Hold on.
We got a new update. I thought we was going home,
Yes, what?
Then I said good, so she had the idea to go to Home Goods.
Everybody loves Home Goods except you.
I was trying to go home
For good.
for good. Instead, we going to Home Goods.
What?
These folks can't drive, bro. Please make this light so this lady don't make it with us. Oh my gosh, what is going on here?
Stop! Turn the camera off. Was this serious? Stop, babe! Was he for real? All these folk coming out here with these big ass Marshalls. Good shit. They got Marshalls, Ross, and the Home Goods. Babe, we might be in here for a minute. Try to make it quick. I don't really with Ross like that. Anna Michaels.
In the Office Depot.
Where Home Goods at? Yep, we didn't get anything.
Let me get that door handle for you, girl. Go ahead.
Y'all see how you pushed me out the way to get the door? Well, okay. We didn't get nothing. We're gonna go get something to eat real quick and go home. Like we always do. Look at his fingers! Sir! We can't be doing that, bruh.
You need to turn around.
Somebody in all these trips.
Don't get worried about me. Well, I'm gonna shoot you out of this little town.